Hi, Elizabeth. This is a demo for the administration of your website. So first things first, congratulations. I think it looks beautiful. I really like the colors and everything, and like the final product. I'm very proud of it. Basically, to log in as an administrator, the first thing that you want to do is go to this URL /admin. Once you go there, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. So if you log in, you'll see your page is listed there. So to add a new page, all you have to do is click on the Add a New Page button. And in here, we can enter your page information. If you want to have a parent page, you can do that by selecting one of the top pages. The order, if you want to order them in a different way on the administration, you can set that up, but usually I don't even bother. The main image is the image that is floated to the right of the page. So for the purposes of this demo, I already created an image for you to, as an example, to see as an example. This is what you would normally see. In here, you can upload a new image. I'm gonna select it from my computer, and then the program is gonna do its magic. It's gonna upload it to the website, and now I can double click it and select it. So now the path to the image that I just uploaded will be populated into this field. And then you have finally the content itself. So I can double click on this area and start typing whatever I want. So now if I save the changes, here's my new page. It's a test page. If I wanted to make it, if I wanted to edit this page in particular, I can hit the pencil icon. If I wanted to make it into a child page from the About section, I can also do that. And now you'll see that the test page is inside the About section. So the page is now on the website. The second step will be to create a new menu so that you can actually access the page from the menu itself. Right now, there's no link for this page, so the only way we can preview it is by seeing by hitting the magnifying glass. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that once you're logged in, you'll also see these edit buttons conveniently on every page. So for example, if I was navigating the website and I saw a typo here, and I meant to say established instead of established, I can also edit this page and make the change right here. So where is that word? Let's look for it. Established. Right here. Say I wanted to say established instead of established, which is obviously wrong, but I'm just showing you how this works. I can save the changes, and now if I view the page again, I'll see that established was changed to this version. Anyways, we don't want that, so we're gonna change it back to the way it was. Save the changes again. So that's that. Another thing that you want to keep in mind when you create a new page is make sure that you select the right hierarchy for your titles, to your page titles. So if you wanted to say something like, this is a subheading, simply what I have to do is select the text and then go into this drop down right here and say this is a heading. So I'm gonna select it, and then I'm gonna save it. And now if I view the page, this will be formatted as a subheading. There's also a third level heading. So if I went to edit this page and I had another paragraph on the bottom, and I had another heading, or less important heading, I can type that in, select my text, and select the heading number 3, save the changes, and now if I view the page, this is what I'll see. And that's basically it. The rest of it is very self-explanatory. For example, if you wanted to create a link, you select the text that you want to link. Then, sorry, I didn't mean to select that comma. Select the text, hit the link button right here, and then just enter the site that you want to link to. The other thing is you can select a new window as the target for this link. So instead of leaving the website, this will open in a new window or tab. So if I hit OK, this should be linking to Google. If I save the changes again, view the page, this particular piece of text should be linking to Google and it opens in a new page. Likewise, for images, it's the same procedure pretty much. First, you wanna, sorry, oh my God. I just wanna go up here. Okay. You wanna select the place where you wanna insert the image. Second, you wanna hit the image tool here. Then I can browse the server and I'll see all the images that I have uploaded. So I already have this picture of you. I'm gonna select it, double click it, and then it's gonna appear here. I can select the alignment if I want it to the right, like so. Hit OK, and now this is gonna appear on the right side, starting from the place where I placed my cursor in the first place. So that's it for pages. You can see that everything is fairly straightforward. Now let's move to menus. So basically I want to go back to the admin. I want to create a new menu item for this page that I just created. If I hit menus instead of pages, this is my menu hierarchy. You'll see that your main menu is already created. So what I want to do in this case is add a new menu item. So I click on this plus button because I did it within the main menu section. It's going to select the menu as the main menu. I can also select an order if I want to reorder the menu items. I can select a parent. In this case, I want it to be about. This is just going to be a test page. And then I can select the page that I want to link to. So once I create the menu item is now inside the About section, and you'll see that it is now listed under this About menu. If I click on it, now I can access the actual page. In a very similar fashion, you can edit this page and delete it by going to the Manage Pages view. So I click on Pages, I hit this X button to delete it. I say yes, I want to delete it. Okay, has been deleted. And then the menus, I also want to delete that menu that doesn't belong to the website. I want to delete in this case for sure just the menu item, which is this delete button. This delete button over here will take care of the whole menu and all the items. So generally, you don't want to do that unless you create a whole new menu, which in your case, I don't think you'll ever need to do that. So don't worry about it. So just keep in mind, you want to delete this particular item. If I want to edit the properties of the item, I can just click on the title itself and it'll take me to this section where I can, say I wanted to link it to a different page. I can change the page that I want to link it to from here, but I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to go back. All I want to do is delete the actual item. So I'm sure I want to delete this, yes. And now the item has been deleted and is no longer in the navigation itself. So that's basically it. One last thing that I wanted to show you is that for the pages themselves, I'm going to create a new page just for kicks. I'm going to call it PDF page. And I just wanted to show you that you can also add PDFs just the same way that you would add images. So in this case, this is just a PDF page. We're going to select some dummy text. Sorry, oh my God, I went berserk there. So let's add a new page. We're gonna call it test PDF. We're gonna add some content to it. So say I wanted to link to a PDF file. I can select the text I want to link to a PDF. I can create a link and select to upload something. So in this case, I'm just gonna find a test PDF file. If I can. test PDF, send it to the server. So it's telling me a warning that there's already a file with that name. I don't care. So now, because I uploaded it, I can simply select OK, and now this will be linked to the PDF. So I'm gonna save my changes. So my new page is here. I can view it with the magnifying glass, and then this link will link to the PDF itself. So yeah, that's it. I know I tend to go fairly fast, so feel free to ask me any questions if you have any about the administration of your website. As you can see, it's pretty bare bones and it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully this will make it not confusing for you. But again, if you have any further questions, you know where to find me, and I'll be happy to help you further. And again, congratulations for your new website. Thank you so much for your trust and for working with me. As I said before, you're a pleasure to work with, and I look forward to hear from you and hear from everybody else about the wonderful feedback that I'm sure you'll get on the actual website. So, having said all that, thank you so much, and have a great day, Elizabeth. I'll be in touch. Bye.